Number 1.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It has traveled 152,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Sitting on an AccuAir suspension setup, the truck offers an aggressive stance and modern ride control, making it a unique blend of classic styling and upgraded features. Under the hood, it retains its original 5.0L V8 engine, offering reliable stock performance. While the truck runs and drives, it does need a bit of TLC to bring out its full potential. The interior features leather seats, though they are showing signs of wear with some ripping. The windows currently have a 15% tint for added style and privacy. An aftermarket sound system has been installed, including two 8-inch kicker subwoofers, two 6.5-inch speakers, and a pair of tweeters. However, the entire system is currently running off a single amplifier, and it's recommended to install an additional amp for optimal performance.
Number 2.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000, well-preserved classic pickup that blends vintage charm with a few modern upgrades. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 350 small block V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a floor-mounted shifter that adds a sporty touch to its driving experience. The exterior is finished in a timeless brown color, complemented by a matching brown interior that maintains the truck's original look and feel. This C10 runs on gasoline and has been fitted with an aftermarket aluminum radiator and dual electric fans, helping to keep the engine cool even under heavy use. These upgrades make it more reliable and suitable for both daily driving and weekend cruising. As a bonus, the truck comes with a brand new fender to replace the damaged one on the driver's side, providing a great opportunity for a straightforward cosmetic fix.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500, dependable diesel truck with 189,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a clean gray interior, it's a well-maintained older model that still runs and drives exceptionally well. Under the hood, it features a Heath diesel towing tune for improved performance, along with a Wicked Will 2 turbo compressor wheel that enhances turbo response. The truck is equipped with a 4-inch exhaust system, giving it a deep, aggressive tone and improved airflow. A glow-shift triple-gauge setup monitors boost, EGT, exhaust gas temperature, and transmission temperature for better towing and driving awareness. It also includes a high-flow water pump paired with a Duramax fan and fan clutch, providing better cooling efficiency. The interior is in clean condition, showing that it's been well taken care of over the years. Recent maintenance includes new engine oil cooler lines and a fresh oil change, ensuring it's ready for continued reliable use. In the back, it features a bed liner and rubber mat, making it ideal for hauling or work-related tasks.
Number 4.
1971 Datsun 521, price $8,500, well-maintained classic pickup with a blue exterior, gray interior, and a manual transmission. It's powered by a modified 1978 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission from the same year, offering improved drivability over the original setup. The truck runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title and a 3-owner history, including the current owner. It drives smoothly around town thanks to new gas-adjust shocks and reworked drum brakes with new brake lines. A new fuel pump has been installed, and new window gaskets have been fitted on the front and rear windshields, side windows, and Dorito-style side vents. Rust underneath is average for its age, with a repair near the seats, and the frame remains solid. All lights, brights, and blinkers are in good working order, making this Datsun both road-ready and full of vintage charm.
Number 5.
1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This is a solid classic truck with 131,900 miles, an automatic transmission, a brown exterior, and a tan interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a newer TBI 350 engine with a ProComp intake, rebuilt transmission, and newer exhaust. The truck is equipped with factory AC, tilt wheel, cruise control, and a tachometer dash. Recent updates include newer tires, brakes, and tie rods, making it a dependable driver and a great candidate for a show build. Cosmetic flaws include a small rust spot on the driver's side lower fender, a driver rocker that could be replaced, and a small dent on the rear passenger bed corner from a bumper impact. The floors are solid, and it comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 6.
1991 Ford F-250, price $5,500. This truck is a solid and dependable classic pickup, equipped with a powerful 351 V8 gasoline engine and 4-wheel drive capability, making it suitable for both work and everyday driving. It has 140,000 original miles and runs great with no known issues. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck performs as it should in all conditions. finished in a bold red exterior with a clean and well-kept tan interior. The overall condition reflects how well this vehicle has been maintained over the years. All systems and features are fully operational, including lights, gauges, and controls.
Number 7.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500. It comes with a clean white exterior and a blue interior, presenting a timeless color combination that still holds appeal today. The truck is equipped with a 4.3L V6 engine, not to be confused with a straight 6, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It runs and drives fine, showing that it still has life left despite its age and mileage. This Chevy makes for a great daily driver or a reliable work truck. While the interior does show some wear, most notably, the seat is in bad shape, it remains usable and provides a straightforward driving experience.
The powertrain is known for its durability, and this example reflects that reputation well.
A clean title is in hand, making the sale simple and straightforward.
Number 8.
1977 Ford F-150, price $5,000. This truck is a classic American pickup that combines rugged styling with a powerful drivetrain. It has approximately 49,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a robust 460 V8 gasoline engine. The truck features an automatic transmission and comes equipped with a Rancho suspension system, giving it a lifted stance and enhanced off-road capability. Finished in white on the exterior with a green interior, this F-150 stands out with a 1979 grille swap, added for visual preference. The body is solid overall, including the bed and front clip, though it does have typical cab rust, common for trucks of this era. It runs and drives well, although the fuel system needs attention, as it's currently running off a temporary boat gas tank due to a dirty fuel tank.
Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,000, rugged and lifted classic truck that features a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 142,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it still runs and drives well despite a few minor issues. The power steering pump needs to be replaced, which makes steering a bit difficult at low speeds, but the truck remains fully drivable. The air conditioning system requires a recharge to function properly. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck has an aggressive stance thanks to approximately 9 inches of lift and massive 37-inch tires, including a full-size spare.
The interior is relatively clean for its age, although the headliner is in need of reupholstering. Number 10.
1971 Chevrolet C20, price $5,950. With approximately 133,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is powered by a reliable Chevy 350 V8 engine paired with a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. It's a great runner and driver that was previously used as a daily vehicle, but the current owner no longer has room for it. The exterior is finished in green, matching the green interior, which is relatively clean for its age. While the headliner could benefit from reupholstering, the cabin remains comfortable and functional. Modern conveniences have been added, including wireless Apple CarPlay, a built-in phone charger, and a display screen, enhancing the driving experience without compromising its classic charm. The truck features an impressive total lift of approximately 9 inches and rides on massive 37-inch tires, including a full-size spare, perfect for cruising around town or hauling heavy loads. The AC system is present but currently needs a recharge to be fully operational.